Welcome to the next session on MATLAB Basics. In this session, we will take up the topic of decision making in MATLAB. Decision making structures require that the programmer should specify one or more conditions to be evaluated or tested by the program, along with a statement or statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. Following is the general form of typical decision-making structure found in most of the programming languages. Now suppose if there is a particular condition that we give, that condition, if it is true, then you will get a particular result, and if it is false, then it will yield to some other type of result. So for example, if I say a is equal to 10 and then I give a condition that if a is greater than 0 and less than 15, then I should get the answer as in range, and if it is not, then the answer should be out of range, something like that. So in that case, if I say the value of a is 10, it falls in the range from 0 to 15, so I will get the answer as in range. If I give the value as 25, it is out of range, so it will give me a result as out of range. So if I want to have these kind of conditions, we have to go for something which is called as decision making, and for that there are various decision making techniques. There are 6 of them. We are starting with the first one in this lecture, that is if-end statement. An if-end statement consists of an if statement and a Boolean expression followed by one or more statements. It is delimited by the end statement. It is going to stop at the end statement. Now this is the syntax for this if-end statement. If I give an expression is the first way of writing, and this, if you look here, this percentage thing which is written here is not going to appear in your algorithm. Any statement you write and before that if you add this percentage sign, that statement will not be considered. It is just a way of writing down what you want to do. And then you give some statements here and then you end it. If the expression evaluates to true, then the block of code inside the if statement will be executed. If the expression evaluates to false, then the first set of code after the end statement will be executed. This is the flow diagram for if-end statement. Condition, if true, you get a conditional code, and if false, you directly come out of the loop. So suppose if I have a code like this, a is equal to 10, I will check if a is less than 20. Then since I have given here 10, it will print a is less than 20, or else it will come out of the loop. Suppose if I give 100 here, it will directly come out of the loop and it will print the value as 100. So we will now go to MATLAB and we'll check out this code. So I'll just copy this code from here. I'll go to MATLAB, new script. This will open the editor window. I'll paste it here and I'll save it as say C3. A is given as 10, which is less than 20. So I should get A is less than 20 and I should also get the value of A. So I'll just write down here C3. You will see A is less than 20. It is printed and the value of A is 10. Suppose if I change this value of A to 100 and save it, and again I'll run this program. Now see the output. It is value of A is 100. It has definitely gone into the loop. It has checked that the answer is not less than 20. So this statement is not printed. So whatever statement you give in here will be printed only if this condition is satisfied with this input value. If not, then it will directly end the loop and whatever is there at the end. If nothing is there, then nothing will be printed. But if you have given a statement at the end for printing the value of A, then this value of A will be printed. Now let me put the value of A as -1 and let's see what happens. Value of A is less than 20. The value of A is -1. So it has got printed. So whether it is plus or minus, you will still get the value here because it is an integer. Percentage D, if you recall from the previous lectures, percentage D is going to indicate the integer value. So you get this answer. So that's how you evaluate if-end statement. And this is the first decision making technique in MATLAB. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to use the if-end statement. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.